First of the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Really quick, I'm still bullish towards 590. I think my last video I said I was anywhere between like 586 and like 590-ish. We hit that 586 almost exactly right here. And I think we actually missed it. We missed target by like maybe, what was it, like 586929. High was 586.30. So we did hit it. I mean, we did hit that 5869, what I wanted it to. Again, immediately hit, dropped down, and it perfectly hit off the channel, right? And now it's rebounding off. I actually missed this. I actually wanted to take longs here, but I missed it because I was working. So we are bouncing. I am still, like I said, I am still pretty bullish towards 590. I really do think right now the peak, right, is going to be 581.62. So I am looking at some sort of resistance around here at like 581.57. If you do have this kind of broken up to the upside and you go above this trend here, again, I still think we're going to like 590, right? So I'm still pretty bullish on the upper end. And again, super easy way of doing this is just cloning your trend, putting it up there. Bam, that's basically it. So I'd actually push this up. Actually, I should probably push this up to maybe like a 592 from here, right? So I do think I'm definitely bullish towards more like a 592 to this like mid trend here, as opposed to, you know, just a 590, because 590 again, it was more up here. We already hit that 586 pretty easily. Now we're going into that 590 territory, right? But as of right now, it does look like you have. So again, what you can do here, right? I mean, you do have another downtrend here that you could see, right? You could literally just do this, run this up like that. Boom. And then you could probably just clone this to the upper end. So, I mean, you can use either channel. It doesn't matter if you're going up or the trend is up or down. But again, there you go. So I'd say next stop as of right now, probably 585 maybe. But you could see some resistance right here. I mean, this is too much. I don't want to. We're not technically in a downtrend, so I'm going to take these off. But again, you could see some resistance right here at trend, like at 581.62. So I do think you're going to keep pushing towards the upside, right? Very easily. So I do think you're going to have to push a little bit more to like right there, and then you can either drop off, or if you close to the upper end here, then more than likely you're probably just going to keep pushing to like a 592, right? So personally, I'm still pretty bullish. We are in a 4-hour bull trigger. You're already closing a kind of a weak candle on the reverse MACD here. So again, any close, right? Any close above like a 583.05 on the day, right? Whether it's today, tomorrow, you know, Thursday, Friday, Monday, whatever. But any close above this, I can definitely see us going back up to like a 589, 592-ish. But yeah, I'm still bullish towards the upper end, because that's really, you didn't really hit the fib on there, right? I mean, and if anything, you probably have a bigger target now. Right, there you go. So your bigger target would actually be, yeah, like a 593.65, right? You already hit this, came back down, made a new low, and now if you actually break to the upside, right, your new target would actually be 593. So yeah, I'm still bullish towards like a 593, roughly, or 590, I should say. Can I delete this? There we go. But yeah, this is what I think is going to happen. Again, I still think you're at minimum, you're probably going to go to like a 581.65 today, minimum. If you haven't gotten there by the time the market opens, you're going to get there, right? I can almost guarantee that you're going to go to like a 581.68, all right, that trend up there, before either, again, dropping down to 578, or you're going to keep pushing to 585. Super, super simple here. And again, here's your what is it called? Here's your channels, in case you guys want to use them and stuff. Screenshot this and replicate it yourself on your own charts. But yeah, there you go. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.